So that'd be another one to do a split screen like during the video?
Yes. We live.
It's important to seal your tile in grout. What I'm finding a lot nowadays is you guys are buying these tiles from places like Rustico Tile in Texas, and you're getting them from Mexico already pre-sealed. And I make other videos talking about my opinion on that, so I won't get into that right now. But the purpose of this video is that if you look at this job, you can see how nice all the grout cleaned up everywhere, and that's because they sealed the grout after they put the tile in. And a lot of you guys don't know that. You're buying the tiles pre-sealed, putting them in, and you're leaving the grout, you know, unsealed. So what happens is, like right now, it was just black. As you can see in the previous part of this video, you can see it came back to this natural gray color, like almost perfectly everywhere. And you'll see the final shot of that at the end of the video once we get it all cleaned and sealed. But the purpose of the video, this particular portion of the video, let's just say that is, you've got to seal your grout. If you don't seal the grout, it won't clean up and look this nice, because you got to look at grout like socks, okay? You go buy white socks and they're brand new and you wear them. Then you try to wash them and bleach them, but they're never as white as they were when you first bought them and they were brand new. Grout's kind of the same way. But if you seal grout when it's brand new and you cover it with sealer, now imagine the dirt and nothing can get in there. It's all on the sealer or gets stuck in the sealer. So like when we go to do our process right now, you can see the grout's cleaning up almost perfect, almost back to like brand new. And that's what Tony's doing right now. Right now he's doing the second phase of how we do these floors. We've already did the coating removal. Now this is the cleaning part that gets out the last of all this little dirt and all this little stuff you can see here. And as you can see, we don't have to put too much effort into the grout, which we normally do. This is because it was so nice, because they sealed it, and once we stripped it, all the dirt pretty much came out. So now our focus is cleaning the tile, like you see Tony doing there right there. You can see he's just using a good old-fashioned green scrubby, soap and water. And you see how it's drying real fast, so what he's gonna do is, he's gonna re-wet it, and he's gonna wipe it again, but you gotta wipe it while it's wet, or it kind of defeats the purpose of it. So sometimes you gotta use both hands at the same time. And just edit that part. Anyway though, so seal your grout. It's really important. When you buy these tiles pre-sealed, once they're installed, you need to come back again and not only add more sealer to your tile, but you gotta seal the grout, or like I said, it'll get stained and dingy and it won't be able to come clean. Like you can see how nice it's all cleaning and drying out. That's why it's important. So like us, subscribe, share, people. Stay informed. Don't be a clone. Don't be a zombie. Now more than ever. Mr. Red President. Isn't it